So yesterday at Walmart, I discovered that they have these treat sticks for cats now. They have two different brands. Thanks for sneezing in my ear. Thank you. I'm holding the Foster. She wanted some love. So, I'm gonna see if Max will like these because he scarfs down his treats way too fast. Of course, Maya can try one too. Stop it, you turd. Get him. Get him. He's so mean. You smell it? You take it out. Yeah, that's right. Take it. He said, oh yeah, that's mine. Your turn. She's too delicate. He's like freaking out over it. Don't choke on it. Oh my gosh, did he just eat that whole thing? Well, there goes that idea. Are you kidding me? Who just swallowed that whole? It's not. No. Not for you. I'll come play with you in a minute. Foster kitten wants some love. Max, you can't scarf stuff down like that. You didn't even chew it. Leave her. These seem dangerous. Maya seems to be getting pieces off, but Max seriously cut the thing in half and swallowed the two halves, I'm pretty sure. Leave her alone, mister. I'll have to give you your meds. He's been like attacking my ankle and stuff. Did you like that? They love that. Oh crap. I forgot. I can't give her different treats because she throws them up. She's gonna end up throwing that up later. Great. Maybe not. It says it's 90% meat. It doesn't have as many fillers as the other fake stuff, so maybe it won't. How many are you supposed to give them these a day? Oh. It says break it into smaller pieces. Well, what's the point of that? If it's a jerky. Stop it! Feed up to 1 stick per cat per day. These treats are not intended as complete food, but as a treat. Okay. Sorry, I can't have any more. They loved it, so that's our review on the little kitty jerky.